Flower House, United States. The project reinterprets and expands on the glass house topology, so the dynamic relationships to the native landscape and the plant configurations that organizes the six interlocking pavilions into petals around a central open courtyard. Partially excavated into hillside, the project's topography offers thermal insulations while modulations the interior space along spectrums of open to closed, public to private, above and below grade, uphill to the west. Clerestory windows illuminated the bedrooms and baths, while downhill to the east, the more public programs open to the surrounding landscape, through floor to ceiling windows. Similarly, in plan, the six pavilions are oriented to optimize varying sun exposure and levels of privacy, while the cantilevered roof canopies provide weather protections, passive shading for the interiors, and a dramatic frame that expands the transitions from interior to exterior. Structurally, each pavilion operates like a medium umbrella diagram, a canopy open to all sides, with an exposed concrete slab on grade below. The entire structure is vertically supported by layered bearing window frames and stabilized laterally by T and L-shaped cores that consolidate shear walls. By consolidating the bathroom storage and mechanical within these structural cores, the project maximizes usable space and minimizes push. The resulting column-free interiors liberate interiors movement and maintain clear sightline between the internal landscape of the courtyard and the exterior landscape beyond. In striving to clarify and reduce the profile of architecture components, we find a balance for the structure spatial experience while foregrounding the landscape and program.